Hi everyone, I'm KL, but some of you might know me as Chicken Rice. I'm a freelance digital artist and I love drawing pretty characters. With art, improving can seem very daunting at times. There may be periods where we feel stuck or unable to progress, and it can be kinda discouraging. I definitely know how that feels, and I want to share the different ways I got myself out of that and started practicing effectively. A lot of the skills I picked up came through online art courses, like this one, and once I overcame certain hurdles, it really brought back my love for art and creating. In this course, I will help you understand the fundamentals and how you can utilize them in your art. I will also be breaking down my painting process step by step so you can see the techniques I use and apply them to your own art. I really hope by the end of my course, you will be able to not only see your art journey through a new perspective, but also be equipped with the skills to create beautiful illustrations of your own. I'm KL, and this is Paint Beautiful Anime Characters with Striking Lighting 101.